Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Next, science subjects: knowing my body, our organs, fit and healthy organs, our food, methods of cooking appliances and fuel, air around us, composition of air, importance of air, keeping air clean, water around us, sources of water. Where do we get water from? Water conservation. Plants around us, parts of plants, germination. Recap and revision. Knowing my body highlights our organs, fit and healthy organs. Dear children, skin is the largest organ of our body. It covers the muscles. Muscles cover the bones and help them move. Bones protect the delicate organs of our body. Every organ performs different functions that help our body work efficiently. Our organs. Our body is made up of cells. Cell is a basic and the smallest unit of life that can reproduce independently. There are different kinds of cells in our body. The same kind of cells join together to form a tissue. Similarly, a group of different tissues from an organ that perform a particular function. Many organs work together to form an organ system. Our body has external and internal organs. External organs are present on the surface of the body, and internal organs are present inside the body. External organs. The organs that are visible to us are called external organs. Shoulders, head, arms and feet are some of the external body parts. The external organs like eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin are together known as sense organs. Internal organs. Organs that are inside the body and cannot be seen directly are called internal organs. Legs, kidneys, brain, stomach and heart are some of the internal organs. Let us now learn in detail about some of the important internal organs. brain. Have you ever wondered how we solve a mathematical problem? It is one of the several activities that our brain helps us perform. The brain helps us think and remember events, solve problems, make decisions and communicate our feelings and thoughts. It controls muscle movements. The brain controls voluntary actions like clapping, reading, and eating. It also controls involuntary actions like breathing and blinking. The brain consists of three major parts. Cerebrum. It is the largest part of the brain. It enables us to think, imagine, react to messages from our sense organs and remember information. Cerebellum. It is located below the cerebrum. It controls our muscle movements and helps maintain physical balance. Medulla oblongata. It is located above the neck and connects the brain with the spinal cord. It controls breathing, heart function, digestion, and so on. Heart. Look at this image of the heart. The heart is a muscular, hollow structure located in the chest, slightly towards the left. The heart is the size of your fist. It pumps blood through a system of blood vessels. The blood vessels that carry blood from the heart to the other parts of the body are known as arteries. The blood vessels that bringing blood back to the heart from the other parts of the body are known as veins. When the heart beats, it makes the sound lub-dub. During exercise, our heart naturally beats faster to supply blood to our muscles. The more intensely we exercise, the faster our heart beats. Legs. The legs are two sacs placed inside the chest cavity. The left leg is slightly smaller than the right leg. Legs help us breathe. They filter oxygen from the air when we breathe in and expel carbon dioxide when they breathe out. Let us recap. The brain controls all our activities and helps us think and remember. The heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. The lungs help in breathing. The kidneys filter out waste from our body. The stomach helps digest food. We should eat healthy food, exercise regularly, rest and sleep well. Glossary. Voluntary, do something willingly. Involuntary, do something unknowingly or automatically. Abdomen, the part of the body below the chest that contains internal organs such as stomach, intestines. Turn, beat, move or stir something. Our food. Dear children, food is a basic need of all living things. Food gives us nutrients and energy. There are different types and sources of food. Highlights: methods of cooking, cooking appliances and fuel. Methods of cooking. Most fruits are eaten raw, but only a few vegetables such as cucumber, tomato, cabbage, carrot and radish are usually eaten raw. Cucumber, tomato, carrot, radish. The food that must be cooked before eating include grains, pulses, fish, meat and vegetables such as potato, cauliflower and beans. Rice grains, beans, fish, potato. Cooking kills germs and makes food soft and easy to digest. Cooked food also tastes and smells good. Let us learn about the different methods of cooking. Frying is a method of cooking raw food to enhance flavor by submerging them in the oil. Puri, samosa, bhajia, etc. are a few examples of fried food. Boiling is a method of cooking food in boiling water. Boiled rice, tea, coffee are a few examples of boiled food. Steaming is a method of cooking food or boiling water. Idli, dakhala, puttu, etc. are a few examples of steamed food. Baking is a method of cooking in which food items are cooked in an oven at a very high temperature. Biscuits, breads and cakes are a few examples of baked food. Roasting is a method in which food items are cooked over an open flame or using dry heat in an oven. Paneer, tikka and grilled vegetables are a few examples of roasted food. Different types of utensils are used in various methods of cooking. Pressure cooker. A pressure cooker is used to steam or boil vegetables, rice and meat. Wok. A wok is a large bowl-shaped utensil used for frying vegetables, meat and fish. Pot. A pot is used for steaming and boiling milk, vegetables, meat, fish and rice. Pan. There are 3 types of frying pans: flat tawa, shallow frying pans and deep frying pans. A flat tawa is used to make chapati and dosha. A shallow frying pan is used to make cutlets and to stir fry vegetables. A deep frying pan is used to fry meat or fish. It is also used to fry potatoes and make samosas and puris. Flat tawa, shallow frying pan, deep frying pan. Brain teaser. Why should food grains like rice and wheat be stored in clean and dry containers? Cooking appliances and fuel. Have you seen your mother making chapati, idli or cake? Discuss different appliances used in cooking. People use different kinds of fuels and cooking appliances to cook food. A chullaha is a stove made up of bricks or mud, wood, cow dung cage or charcoal are used as fuels in these chulhas. A tandoor is a clay oven. Fuels such as wood and charcoal are used to heat a tandoor. The tandoor is one of the oldest traditional ovens. The 2 types of commonly used stoves are kerosene stoves and gas stoves. In the former, kerosene is used as fuel. Gas stoves are used in many houses for cooking. The cylinder, which is the source of fuel, is filled with liquefied petroleum gas. The fuel flows from the cylinder to the stove through a tube. Nowadays, environment-friendly appliances such as solar cookers are being used to cook. They are direct sunlight to heat or cook. Microwave ovens use electricity to cook food. They cook food very quickly at high temperature. Fact: overcooking food results in loss of nutrients. Let us recap. Some food items are cooked while others are eaten raw. There are different methods of cooking food such as frying, boiling, steaming, baking and roasting. We use different types of utensils such as pressure cookers, works, pots and pans to cook food. LPG, kerosene, wood and coal are some of the fuels used for cooking food. Some of the commonly used cooking appliances are chulhas, tandoors, kerosene stoves and gas stoves. Glossary. Nutrients. Substance that provide nourishment, strength and energy to the body. Shallow, not very deep. Fuel. Materials that are burned to produce heat or power. Appliance. A device or a piece of equipment designed to perform a specific task. Fun time. Organize a party with your friends. Prepare 3 food items like bahal, puri, fruit, salad and sandwich. Write the recap of one of these items in your notebook. Air around us. Highlights. Composition of air. Importance of air. Keeping air clean. Dear children, air is all around us. We cannot see it, but we can feel when it moves. Air has many components. Polluted air leads to many health problems. Hence, we should take all possible steps to check air pollution. Composition of air. Place a drop of water on a hot frying pan. Why did the water disappear? Discuss. The water has not really disappeared. The drop of water changed into water vapor. Water vapor is the gases from the water. It mixes with air. Just like water vapor, air too has other components. It is made of gases and dust particles. The main gases in the air are oxygen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide. Now let us learn about the composition of air. Air is mainly composed of nitrogen followed by oxygen. The smallest part consists of carbon dioxide, other gases and water vapor. Apart from these gases, air also contains many small living organisms. We cannot see them because they are very small. These organisms are called germs. Dust particles are also found in air. Fact, the air that we breathe is a mixture of gases. Importance of air. Air everywhere. Come feel it in the atmosphere. Animals, birds and insects all need air to live. Air is what we breathe in. We feel it on our skin. Air is what a plant needs to cook food and grow seeds. Air everywhere. Come feel it in the atmosphere. Now let us learn about the importance of air. Animals and human beings need air to breathe. They breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Plants take in the carbon dioxide released by animals and human beings to prepare food. Nitrogen is released when plants and animals die and decay. Nitrogen helps plants grow. The tires of cycles cars, trucks, scooters, and other vehicles need to be inflated with air. Moving air is called wind. It helps us dry clothes and fly kites. Wind also helps sailboats move windmills and gliders. Air helps clouds move. The oxygen present in air supports burning. Air helps in warming and cooling things. Let us now learn about the properties of air. Air occupies space. Take two balloons and blow air into one. Now compare the two balloons. Are they of the same size? No. The balloon into which you blow air is bigger in size. This provides that air occupies space. Air contains water vapor. Blow air on a mirror using your mouth. Touch the mirror, you will find that it is wet. This provides that air contains water vapor. Air moves. After a few minutes of spraying a room freshener, we can smell it all round the room. This is because air moves and carries the fragrance with it. Air has weight. Take two balloons and blow air into one. Tie each of them to the either end of a ruler. Suspend the ruler from the center with a piece of string or hook. Notice that the ruler tilts downward to the side of the balloon filled with air. When we blow air into a balloon, it becomes heavy. Hence, air has weight.